how to recover Facebook account with no email and no phone number. So if you want to recover your Facebook account without your phone number or your email address, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open a browser. Here you need to go with your search and search for Facebook support, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You just need to simply go and select the health center, which will be on the top. Now you need to scroll down and you will have your Meta AI support assistant. You can ask a question right here, or just simply scroll down, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then you're going to scroll down and you'll find an option of support inbox, which will be on the bottom. Tap on it and it will ask you to log into your account. You just need to simply go with continue or enter your details and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, it will ask you to confirm your account. So you just need to simply enter the code that you will receive on your WhatsApp number. So you need to go with continue, or you can just simply go with try another way, and you will have a lot more options. After that, it will ask you to create a new password. You'll be able to create a new password for your Facebook account and you'll be logged in. That's it. Or you can also go with your Meta AI support assistant, and here you can ask some questions and it will answer you, or it will help you. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.